Hello and welcome to another SatNav Systems video. Today we have this Audi Q7 4 Lima on a rainy morning, this is a 2010 model, and it has a problem with battery drain. So we're going to investigate if this is caused by any components that are on the MMI circuit. So if any of the infotainment systems, either radio, amplifier, or console, navigation, any of these things could be causing this battery drain. So we're going to do all the investigations and see if this is it and if this can be repaired. So yeah, we'll get to it now. Right, we continue with the Q7. We had the car overnight, still investigating the battery drain. We've checked all the power circuits for the MMI system to find the issue, and it's not conclusive. However, we did find a problem with the MMI console disc. So we had a water damage, and unfortunately, it's not conclusive, but we suspect it could have been causing system not to shut down properly. So that's one other issue. Another thing we're also doing there at the moment, that you can see in the background, the system is being, the operating system is being updated. So there was new software updated to get rid of all the glitches, as it had the original software on it. So it was never updated in the car. So we're doing two things in here. So this is a tip: if you having issues like that, a software update could help. However, we do not recommend doing it on your own. It's a very delicate process. It cannot be disrupted, and it can cause the system to be bricked. So 100% don't attempt to do it yourself, and get a specialist to get this done, or just get into contact with us and we could do that for you. Yeah, so console and update, and that should sort out the battery drain here.